Welcome to World Quiz Channel. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Don't forget to subscribe and share your score in the comments. Let's get started.
Android versions are named in alphabetical order. On which computer hardware device is the BIOS chip located? The programming language Swift was created to replace what other programming language? The Windows Me operating system was released in the year 2000. What is the correct term for the metal object in between the CPU and the CPU fan within a computer system? Which one of these is not an official development name for a Ubuntu release? Which of the following is a personal computer made by the Japanese company Fujitsu? What does the term MIME stand for in regards to computing? What is the domain name for the country Tuvalu? What did the name of the Tor Anonymity Network originally stand for? Which of the following languages is used as a scripting language in the Unity 3D game engine? HTML is what type of language? The programming language Python is based off a modified version of JavaScript. What language does Node.js use? In computing terms, typically what does CLI stand for? On a standard American QWERTY keyboard, what symbol will you enter if you hold the Shift key and press 1? Australia, Japan, and Southeast Asia are in which ITU region? Which of these Cherry MX mechanical keyboard switches is both tactile and clicky? Which computer hardware device provides an interface for all other connected devices to communicate? What does AD stand for in relation to Windows operating systems? Pointers were not used in the original C programming language. They were added later on in C++. The Internet domain. FM is the country code top-level domain for which Pacific Ocean island nation? What does RAID stand for? Windows NT is a monolithic kernel. What does the PRTSC button do? The logo for Snapchat is a bell. What Internet protocol was documented in RFC 1459? Time on computers is measured via the epoch system. Which of the following is not a computer science algorithm? How fast is USB 3.1 Gen 2 theoretically? All program codes have to be compiled into an executable file in order to be run. This file can then be executed on any machine. A Mac is not a PC. The open source program Redis is a relational database server. A Boolean value of 0 represents which of these words? The T-Mobile Sidekick smartphone is a rebranded version of the Danger HipTop. The first IBM PC was released in 1981. What was the name of the first Bulgarian personal computer? The computer OEM manufacturer Clevo, known for its Sager notebook line, is based in which country? What is the code name for the mobile operating system Android 7.0? What was Bitcoin's block size limit in 2010? Which of these people was not a founder of Apple Inc.? What is the number of keys on a standard Windows keyboard? Who is the founder of Palantir? Moore's law originally stated that the number of transistors on a microprocessor chip would double every. Which of the following is the oldest of these computers by release date? All of the following programs are classified as raster graphics editors except What was the first Android version specifically optimized for tablets? In programming, the ternary operator is mostly defined with what symbols? How many cores does the Intel Ispin Minus 6950X have? Whistler was the code name of this Microsoft operating system.
Thanks for watching World Quiz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss a new challenge. See you in the next quiz.